66,000 followers, 18 posts. That is literally all it took for this Instagram page to build a serious audience. By posting embroidery videos, and their content is still pulling numbers, 26.5 million, 2.6 million, and 2.4 million views from the exact same style of content every single time. These videos are mesmerizing, satisfying, and impossible to scroll past. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes. But before we get into it, 83% of our viewers have not subscribed yet. If you genuinely want more free tutorials like this one, tap that subscribe button right now, okay? Let us get into it. Everything starts in the description below. Open the master prompt file I have prepared for you and grab the first video prompt from there. Now jump into Google Flow. The first thing you're going to do here is click the plus icon and upload a photo of any object you want to turn into an embroidery piece. It can be literally anything: a flower, a shoe, a fruit, whatever you think looks visually interesting. Once that image is sitting inside your workspace, click on it, tap the 3 dots, and hit Animate. Now inside your settings, choose Ingredients, set your model to OmniFlash, and your duration to 10 seconds. Drop your first video prompt into the field and hit Generate. Google Flow will handle everything from here, and in just a few seconds, a complete embroidery scene will appear right in front of you. Now pay close attention to this next part, because this is where most people make a mistake. Do not just start a brand new clip from scratch for your second scene. Instead, scroll your first video all the way to its final frame and use the Save Frame button right there at the end. That saved frame is now your bridge between the two scenes. Click on it, tap the 3 dots, and select Animate. Again, now before you paste anything, double check that the frames option is switched on. This single setting is what keeps your two scenes visually locked together, so the whole video feels like one continuous, seamless sequence rather than two separate clips. Grab the second prompt from the description, paste it in, and generate. Your second scene will be ready in seconds. Download both clips and bring them into whichever video editor you prefer. Drop them onto the timeline, one after the other, in the right order. Make sure the flow between the two scenes feels smooth and natural. And hit export. That is your complete embroidery video done and ready to post. And that's the full process. Make sure to subscribe and like if this tutorial helped you, and I will see you in the next one.